Flash Furniture Hercules plastic folding chair are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the best Flash Furniture Hercules plastic folding chair from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Lightweight and durable. These plastic folding chairs feature protective floor caps and are designed to be lightweight for easy portability, while maintaining durability for heavy-duty use, easy storage and transport. The chairs can be nested to stack up to 50 high from the floor for effortless storage, transport, and post-event cleanup, saving you time and effort. Enhanced comfort. With a textured contoured plastic seat featuring dry assist drain holes, these chairs offer maximum comfort and support during long social events. Sturdy and stable. The chairs feature double support braces and an 18-gauge steel frame, and holds up to 650 pounds static weight, ensuring stability and worry-free. On-demand seating for weddings, school functions, barbecues, game nights, and catering events. Product measurements. Overall size: 17.5 watts x 18D x 31.5H. Seat size: 15.5 watts x 15.5D x 17.75H. Back size: 17.5 watts x 15.5H. Folded size: 17.5 watts x 2.5D x 38.25H. No assembly required. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.